How to create a collage on Wix. In order to do that, let's head over right here to this search option. Now search in here for collage. So once you have searched for collage, you should be able to see in here some options like this Wix Pro Gallery. So your collage will only be your gallery and you can just choose the layout of the gallery that you want added. Alternatively, you can also click on this plus icon right here in order to add that element. And then from there, choosing here the gallery option. And in here, you can choose in here the grid gallery. And we have in here this gallery options that you can choose from. I'll choose in here this masonry, and then I'll just add it to this particular section. And then once it's added, you can just customize the photos that will be added on this particular gallery. So you just change the image as well as the text that they have right here. So that's how you create a collage on Wix. Hope you helped.